Hello guys, this is Sanket Tiwari from NIT Allahabad, and today we will review the courses by AcadBoost, and we will see this by course, which are mentioned in the AcadBoost website and app. I also made a video before about this, and in that video I just told my views about Kalpit Sirwal courses. But in this video I am going to tell you the honest review about his courses. First, let me tell you that some student who brought these courses commented in my last video about this topic. Well, I'm not going to tell what are the comments, but you can read it anyway in that video comment sections. Now coming to this video, so let's start. Here you can see all courses what are there in the app. So first let's see details about the courses. So guys, here you can see there are some courses are mentioned which are paid and some are free. So in free courses you can check what are there in free courses, but we will review here paid courses. So let's start with this. It's of 799. Let's check this. So in this first read description, so you can see that content of 80 hours focused on JEE Main and Advanced plus test series of JEE Main 2020 after successful so you can read this, and here is written that 80 are focused on JEE Main and Advanced plus test series also given with this. Now you can see rating is 4.9, but it's only given by 35 students. Okay, so don't misunderstand this by rating, and it's only for 100 days, and it's in English, means courses are in English and Hindi both. So this is not for those students who have prepared really hard for the examination, because you have solved mostly all of the questions which are mentioned in these courses and taught in the courses. So it's not for you, and as well as not for you if you are an average student also. So don't buy these courses if you are average and a good student, and if you are say that not that much bright student, so also don't buy. It's not of so useful for you, because in this only tough questions are mentioned, like basically it's focused only tough questions, so it's not useful for you. And let's check this first read description section. Here it's written that it's a 60-hour of video revising content of JEE Main in short videos plus 8 test series, and you wish to score below so here it's mentioned that it's useful for you if you are scoring below 150 marks. Okay, so if you are an average student, then you can buy this, but here also don't misunderstand this with rating, because it's only given by 27 students, and I also not recommend this because it's really a high rated high paid package. It's of 6,000, so according to me don't buy this also. It's of no use. You can read it out in the comment section. In my last video on this topic, many student has said that it's of no use, just waste of money. So well, in that video I just told that he is doing a great job, but as of now he have not much experienced, so this will be not useful for you as well, because you are paying so high amount for this. Now let's check this first read description section. So here it's written 150 questions, 50 each in physics, chemistry, maths. So only 150 questions, solution and discussion. So only 50 questions for physics, chemistry, maths, and I can assure you that you have already attempted these questions in your some books and in some papers, so it's of no use for you as well. So don't get confused with this all that every topper cannot teach you. Okay, so don't confuse with that. Now let's move to another, and don't confuse with the rating. It's 4.6. It's only given by 65 students, so it's of no use. Now let's move to another. So well, first thing, it's only valid for 30 days. and it's of 4000. So 11th revision course, and you can revise 11th anyway on yourself as well. It's 35-hour video. Here mentioned it's 35-hour video, and here mentioned it's 40 hours. So they also don't know that how much are they teach. So don't buy this as well, because nothing is here important for you, because some questions are given in the video and you will just waste your money. How much money? It's of 4000, I guess. Yes, it's of 4000. So don't get confused with this. Teacher has nothing to do with his rank. If a teacher not got a JEE main rank, he can also teach you for JEE. So that doesn't matter, guys. So for more thing, you can just check out my last video on this topic, and don't see the content, because in that video I supported this, because I have not checked it earlier. We will review other courses as well in next videos, like this and this. So let's stop for now. So guys, at last I have an information for you. There is a webinar conducted by mentorbox.in. You can check their website, and it's a webinar by Miss Sumedha Arun. You can check her details here and topic also, and it will be conducted on 15 August on 11:30 am. So you can register for it on mentorbox.in website. So please check detail here, and I will put all important links in the description section as well. So please check out there, or please do subscribe to our channel for more such informations.